Students, last class we have studied calculate of interest on capital. Formula is interest on capital equal to the amount of capital into rate of interest. This is interest on capital. Today we are discuss one new topic, calculation of interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. The interest on drawing can be computed by follow either direct method or product method. Interest on drawing is a two methods or direct method or product method. Also, if the partner withdraw a fixed amount, fixed time interval, interest on drawing on may be calculated on basic average period method. Average period method based on the date of drawing and the amount of drawing. Different method can be followed for calculating interest on drawing. The direct method is interest on calculated on drawing for the period from the date of drawing to the date of closing date of the accounting period. The following formula is used to compute the interest on drawing. This is direct method is closing date. Listen students, you first read the question, which day opening the account, which day you closing the account. First direct method, the last one, the data of closing date of accounting year. The account is 31st December. Closed means you opening is which month you opening. December 31st close means automatically opening on January only. A March 31st is account is closed means automatically April 1st is a opening year. Next one, interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest and period on interest. Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest and rate of period. The period of interest refers to the period from the date of drawing to closing date of the accounting year. This method is suitable with when different amount of withdrawal at different times of interval. The accounts say which month you opening, which month you closing. That month is only you calculate the average period of interest on calculating. Interest on drawing calculating. The illustration 1 is, listen students, this is illustration 11. Valen is a partner who withdraw 20,000 on 1st April 2018. Which month is opening? This sum 1st April opening means automatically closing month is what? March 31st. But this sum 1st April 2018, interest on drawing charge 10%, interest on drawing 31st December. So opening April opening but closing is December only. And past journal entry assuming a fluctuating capital method. Assuming fluctuating means changes. Fixed means one time you fixed value means same that value only. But fluctuating is anytime changes. First one, solution, interest on drawing formula. Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into interest on rate of interest into period of interest. The first one sum is 20,000 is withdraw. How much amount of withdraw? 20,000. 20,000 is withdraw. How many month is calculated? April. For April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December 31st, this account is closed. How many month? 9 month. 9 by 12. 0 0 cancel 0. 2000 into 9 by 3. You calculate means 1500 is answer. Listen students, you write journal entry. Journal entry you write means which one? Valen capital. Valen capital is DR. Interest on drawing account CR. Listen students, interest on drawing is profit and loss account is which side? Interest on drawing income or expense? You first interest on drawing is profit and loss account. Already everybody you studied in 11th standard. Profit and loss account. Income is which side? Income is D. Income is CR side only you enter. Loss means expense means you write only DR side. Okay. Interest on drawing account DR. Draw interest. Interest means you bank withdraw in 20,000 or 50,000 means some interest government pay in 10%, 5%, 2% pay means you expense or income. Expense only. Profit and loss account is CR. Interest on drawing account are closed. Journal entry you need means compulsory you write accountancy note in journal entry. Next one, sum number 12. Arun is a partner in a partnership firm. As per partnership deed, interest on drawing is charged 12% per during the year 31st December 2018. Listen students, opening is which month? Drawing 12%, year 31st December. Only you mention opening is not mentioned, but closing 31st December means automatically opening is January only. First one, the calculate the box is listen March 1, June 1, September 1, December 1. March 1 means is which month is closing month? December 2018 is a closing month. March 1. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. How many months? November, December. December means 10 month. 10 by 12, 80,000, 6,000 into 12%, 12 by 100 into 10 by 12. Answer is 600. Second withdraw on June 1st. June 1st means June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 7 months. 7 by 12. Same. This answer is 2080 rupees. Third one, withdraw on September 1. September 1 means September, October, November, December. How many months you calculated? Only in 4 by 12. Withdraw on December 2000. December 2018. 2000 into how much amount is withdraw? December is 2000. 2000 into 12 by 100 into 1 by 12 equal to answer is 20% only. Listen students, you solution this one calculation is compulsory, very need. You write means only you put 2 mark or 3 mark. Okay, this 4 calculation you totally joined in total interest on drawing in and 1000 100, 1000, 100. Listen students, this is method is compulsory 3 marks sum. Next one, Arul is a partner of partnership as per partnership deed. Interest on drawing in charge 12% during the year 31st December 2018 as per following data. Say, listen students, same method only. This question is closing month is which month? December. But sum is March 1, September 1, December. Now September and December. Solution, calculate. Compulsory you write calculation the amount of interest on drawing. You compulsory write this line. First one, how much amount? March 1 is how much? 3000 is withdraw. 3000 into 12 by 100 into 7 by 10 by 12 is 300. The calculation 0 cancel. 0 cancel means 30 into 12. Next one 10 by 12. Second one, withdraw on June 1st. Withdraw on June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Is how many months calculated? 7 months. Next one, withdraw on September 3000, 4000. Withdraw on September 3000. 3000. How many months? September 1 means September, October, November, December. Listen students, this date or each and every month this date is only opening date, means you calculated same this month onwards you calculate. This month onwards you calculate. December, September 1, September, October, November, December. How many months? 4 months. 4 by 12. Answer is 2120. Next one, December 31st. Sorry, December 1st only. 3012 by 12 means what? 12%. 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. Answer is 60 rupees. Listen students, each entries you write only order wise only you write. Afterwards finally you enter in the total. Total means total interest on drawing. Listen students, this two sums is a very easy sums. Listen students, each and every students you write this two sums your class work note. Next class each and every students show your accountancy class work. Okay students, listen this lesson, different methods of sums. One is opening, one is closing capital, next one fixed and fluctuating capital method, next one interest on drawing, interest on capital method. So many different methods students, easy only. You read properly. First you write no need students. You read carefully in 1 or 2 times you read carefully. Afterwards you start in accountancy note. Listen students, this lesson is number of sums in 23 sums. Each and every sums is very important sums only. Listen students, you write sum number 15. 15 sums you write your class work. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Listen students, this lesson theory question also very important. You theory questions you thorough means this methods of sums is you dictate sums is very easy to understood. Compulsory this lesson. One 5-mark sum, one 3-mark sum, some sums, and one 3-mark theory question or one 5-mark question. This lesson is compulsory. Okay, students. Each and every student, you note it down these two sums. You write your class work. Each and every weekend you submit your class work. Okay, students. Okay, thank you. Next class we will meet. Next one, new topic.